If you want to know how I win this whole shot 100 yards ahead by doing something very unique 100 yards ago, I'll tell you. If you want to know why my front brake is such a huge part of how I launch a motorcycle, how I can exit a 100 mile an hour turn on the paint, still aimed at the dirt, and already be full throttle, how I use the cornering force of a left to get the motorcycle to turn right, I'll tell you all these things and more if you want. I'm Gogo for Superduked.com, and let's have some fun riding motorcycles fast. I don't believe it's my place to tell anybody how to ride their own motorcycle faster, unless they ask. And I do sometimes get asked exactly that. So I'm going to share a race at ThunderHill Raceway with something unique. Finally, I learned how to put data on my onboard. So I'm going to give you my throttle position, my braking force, my RPMs, miles per hour, what gear I'm in and why, the track map, everything. And you might see some things you'll be like, what the hell is he doing? Like, why am I holding the brake before the flag drops to start the race? Why do I hold the clutch in for a quarter of a mile before the race even starts? Why do I never let it go? There's a reason. How I use braking to turn. How I use cornering force left to initiate a right. There's lots of things that I do that I don't really talk about that much. I definitely don't share much because why would you share your secrets with people who you have to race against? They're just going to kick your ass. But the more I think about it, getting my ass kicked is a good thing because when I lose, I go home and I work out harder and I train longer and I develop crazy parts to make the bike work better. So getting beat really makes me better. So I'm going to share these secrets if you want. If you want. Leave a message in the comments and ask. If you're curious about it, yes, I want you to do some videos on braking. I want you to do some videos on counter steering. Tell me how you launch. Let me know in the comments and I will do it. Now let's get into this footage. So there you go, onboard footage with data, showing you not only that the KTM 1290 Super Duke R won the AFM Formula One class, but a little bit of how it did it, which I think is really interesting. So if you want to know more about how I did my part, not just the bikes part, leave a comment below. And just like it's not my place to tell anyone how to ride, it's not my place to tell anybody what video they should take the time to like or not. But I want you to understand that we need to build racing. We need to build the community of racing and enthusiasm because it feels like it's going down. So if you were to like the video, it's probably going to get shown to more people. And if it's shown to more people will learn, and we all get better in this whole world of motorcycling. So I'm not going to tell you what to do, but you know what to do. I'm Gogo for Superduked.com. Everybody helps everybody.